to Benmarks back here. Today we've got this Bentley Continental GT. It's obviously 6 litre, it's the W12. A hell of a car. It's on a 2005. It's in this very, very nice light midnight blue. Very nice, very nice. Obviously, if you don't know these cars, well, yeah, they are a lovely looking car. So we'll have a wander about and we'll have a good look at the car. We'll start down this side. Wheels are 8 out of 10. Would I refurbish them? They've got a few little nicks here and there. Centre caps are very good. Just starting to come through there, but you've got to remember it is a 2005 car. The car's just done over 55,000 miles. The car's got 10 service stamps. It has been well maintained. And recently in 2024, 54,000 miles I think it was, Ash. He had £9,500 spent on this car, every filter done. He had A, B and D A service done. The car does run on a chain, so we're all okay there. This alloy wheel, again, like I said, just starting to come through. It had 4 new Pirelli tyres on at 54,000 miles. If you look down the side, it's nice and straight. On the back, the corners are good. No nasty scuffs. Badge just showing a little bit of wear and tear there, but I'm being very picky. Down the side there again, you'll see no raw dents. Lovely twin exhaust from the back. It has a nice bevel. The car is on. It does have a very nice bevel. These, obviously being the W12, pretty quick as well. Again, alloy wheels. This one has got actually a scuff there on this side and one there as well, a little one there. Just being as honest as we can. You've got a little touch up that's needed there and there. Obviously caught the door sometime in its life. Again, little scuff there. I think like I said, 7-8 out of 10 I would give the wheels. Looking at the windscreen, no chips on the windscreen. If I'm being really picky, there's a minute one there from Almond Stone chip. Bonnet's good though. I will point out, had a little bit of a nasty stone chip there. So again, the new owner may decide to paint, but we have touched it in. Yeah, obviously the car needs a MOT. It'll come with a new MOT. It doesn't need a service because, like I said, it was done at 54,000. So the interior, cream, it seemed really good. Yeah, a little bit of wear on this seat bolster, but not massively. It does actually suit the car. And then you've got the blue leather. Yeah, going in the back. There you go, nice wood in the back. Obviously it's a 4-seater, not a 5. Not the best getting in and out of the back of these. Really, it is a two-seater, but it will fit 4 quite comfortably. Obviously you've got your electric seats and your memory seats. Being a Bentley, it's going to have all your toys, and you know, if you get it closer in there, I'll show the mileage if it's on. Out that side. Again, I mean, this seat is a lot better than the driver's seat to be expected. Hardly any wear and tear on that. The old mobile phone holder there. Obviously, it's got your sat nav. I love these. Really clever. These, just obviously it's automatic with your sport mode. It does only have 1 key, unfortunately. Has all its books though, and like I said, it's very well maintained. I'll show you the has the soft closing, so you don't shut if you don't shut the door right, it closes itself. Clever. It needs the, I don't know if you saw, but it's got a couple of warning dashes on, but they're nothing, it's just a bulb, and it needs a TPS a sensor, which we just haven't had a chance to do. Obviously that will be done. Very nice. Everything works as it should. We'll have a look at the front of the engine. I love this where you have to pull up this, you have to pull up that for the engine to get into the engine there, the badge. There she is, the beast. 6 litre, twin turbo. One more look in the boot. Last thing, I forgot for everyone to have a look in the boot. It's got your original warning triangle, your toolkit. Pretty big boots on these. It's got all the original your toolkits there and stuff. So there you have it, a 2005 Bentley Continental GT, now available at Benmarks Motors. That's soft close. No, it's not. And there you go, available today. Like I said, it's got good service. It's only up at 15,995, which I think is a reasonable a value. What much else can I say apart from the wonderful Bentley Continental GT? Thanks for watching.